everybody, you are welcome to Bamaina Math class. In this video, very short video, we are going to see how to simplify this. 2 minus 18m square, everything over 1 plus 3m. This is an Olympiad question. Option number A says 1 minus 6m, B said 2 into 1 plus 3m, then C 2 into 1 plus 3m square, and D 2 into 1 minus 3m. So we are going to simplify the given problem here, and we look at the options and see which one is the correct option. So let us start by saying solution. So let us rewrite the expression. We have 2 minus 18m square, everything over 1 plus 3m. So this is the same thing as here, you can factorize the numerator here. This numerator is factorizable because 2 is common. 2 can go here, 2 can go here. So you factor out 2 into 2, you know it is 1 time. Then minus, you put minus here. Then 2 into 18, you know it is 9 times. Then you have your m square. Everything over 1 plus 3m. And from there, you proceed. This is the same thing as 2 into, here you have m square. So you know 3 square is going to give you 9. So here also 1 is the same thing as 1 square. So we know that 1 is the same thing as 1 square. 9 is the same thing as 3 square. So this 1 is the same thing as 1 square minus this 9 is the same thing as 3. This m, you write your m, then you square everything. Because 3 square is going to give you 9, m square is there also. Everything over 1 plus 3m. Now from there, you apply the idea of factorization of difference of 2 squares. Remember, if you have n square minus m square, this is difference of 2 squares. It is the same thing as n minus m into n plus m. So this idea is going to be applied here. Because this is something square minus something square. The same thing here is something square minus something square. So we have these two is there, open bracket. So this difference of 2 squares is the same thing as 1 minus 3m and 1 plus 3m. Then you close your bracket. Everything over 1 plus 3m. This is the numerator. You write it again here. So from there, you see you have 1 plus 3m here and you have 1 plus 3m here. So 1 plus 3m cancel 1 plus 3m. So you are left with 2 into 1 minus 3m. And that is the final answer. 2 into 1 minus 3m. So you see 2 into 1 minus 3m. Option number D is the correct option. Thank you.